Today I want to walk you through 3 different ways to add eye-catching animations to your subtitles, ranging from totally hands-on to almost fully automated. I'll show you a manual workflow in Premiere Pro, a faster route using downloadable text presets, and then the quickest route using AI tools on desktop and mobile. Also, I'll drop in some honest comparisons to tools like Storyblocks, Descript, and a few phone apps, and I'll explain where Vizard actually fits into a creator's workflow so you can decide what's worth your time. So first up is the manual Premiere Pro approach, which is the most flexible route, and honestly the one I still use when I want absolute control over how every word looks and moves. Start by generating a transcript in the text panel, as Premiere's auto-transcribe is pretty solid, and then create captions from that transcription. Play the clip and you'll see each word time codes to the playhead, which makes cutting captions into separate lines or sentences really straightforward. If you need a caption to be 2 separate on-screen blocks, make a quick cut, split your caption clip, and go back to the text panel to tidy up the formatting. You can delete lines you don't want or nudge the cut using the rolling edit tool until the timing is perfect. Once the timing's dialed in, head over to Essential Graphics to style the captions by switching fonts, changing weights, and moving the position. To apply the same style across all caption clips, use Track Style to create a style and name it, so every caption follows the same exact look. Animating these captions manually gives you the most bespoke results if you want a reveal effect, like a colored overlay that slides across to highlight each word. Convert your captions to graphics, add a new track next to your subtitle track, and use the Upgrade Caption to Graphic feature to unlock more tools. Now you have a graphics layer for each caption, and you can add shape layers, masks, and keyframe the mask position to animate left to right as the words are being spoken. It's a little labor intensive since you'll be keyframing mask position frame by frame to sync the reveal to speech, but the payoff is full creative control. If you want a small lively pop on each cut, you can nest all the caption cuts into one sequence and use an adjustment layer with the transform effect form. Trim the adjustment layer to a short duration, center the anchor point on the text so scaling looks natural, and then keyframe your scale properties. Bezier the keyframes to smooth it out, and then save this as a preset so you can drop it on any cut whenever you need it. This manual route is great when the captions have to match very specific visual timing, but it is definitely the slowest method of the bunch. Which brings us to method 2, using pre-made animation presets to get consistent professional-looking text animation without keyframing every single cut. Storyblocks, for example, has a Premiere panel that includes text templates you can browse and import directly into your project. Download the preset file, import it into the Effects and Presets folder, and it's ready to use instantly. Apply the preset to an adjustment layer or to your caption graphics and you'll instantly get things like blurred scrolling reveals or clean type-in animations. The big plus here is speed, as you can apply the same preset across dozens of cuts in just a few seconds. The caveat is cost and flexibility because many of the nicer preset packs live behind a subscription plan, and some styles might not match your brand perfectly. Presets are brilliant for batch work and consistency, but if you need micro-timing tweaks, you'll still find yourself going manual sometimes. Now for the third route, AI-assisted caption animation, where things get very interesting for creators who want speed and polish with minimal fuss. I tried a couple of tools here, Descript on desktop and a popular captions app on iPhone, both of which make caption animation almost effortless. Descript is powerful because it treats video like a text doc, meaning you edit words and the timeline follows along perfectly. The karaoke style is my favorite, where it highlights words as they're spoken so viewers' eyes follow along without effort. You can tweak the background color and the opacity of unspoken words to make the highlight more readable and stylish. The limitation is that if you want fancy masked color reveals or extremely tailored designs, you'll still need to export and polish in a full editor. On mobile, apps like Captions are built for fast vertical content where you import your footage and it auto-transcribes and animates each word. There are options like auto-emphasis on keywords, emoji overlays, and various color themes that make your short-form content really pop. The end-to-end workflow of editing, stylizing, and exporting to your camera roll is what makes mobile apps so compelling for creators. Downsides include mobile apps sometimes adding things that feel a little gimmicky, like random emojis that don't match your brand vibe. But if you're cranking out Reels or TikToks from your phone, this mobile approach is a total killer time saver. So where does Vizard come into this picture? If you're a creator who's juggling long-form content, Vizard can actually bridge the gap between heavy lifting and quick post workflows. Rather than manually finding which parts of a long video are worth turning into social clips, Vizard's auto-editing feature analyzes the footage and picks the likely viral moments for you. From there, you can pair those auto-generated clips with caption styles and quick formatting, then use Vizard's content calendar to cue those clips to post on a schedule. That means you don't have to babysit every published time or manually assemble dozens of clips yourself. Vizard doesn't replace Premiere when you want pixel-perfect masks, but it removes the heavy lifting of clip selection and distribution. For creators who need high volume, such as multiple clips per week or even per day, that kind of automation is a total game changer. Compare that to Storyblocks. Storyblocks offers beautiful assets, but it's primarily a marketplace, meaning you still need to decide which moments get turned into clips. Descript and phone apps help you build a single great captioned clip quickly, but they don't help you scale your entire posting strategy across platforms. Vizard is the one that automates the clip discovery and scheduling side perfect if you want to maintain a constant presence without burning hours every week. Practically speaking, here's a workflow I recommend. If you're crafting a career-defining piece where every motion must be perfect, use Premiere and do the manual route. If you're producing batch content and want consistent, polished text animation fast, grab some high-quality presets from marketplaces. And if you're trying to scale a channel and keep a steady rhythm, use Vizard to auto-find the best moments before finishing the clips with your preferred style. A couple of practical tips. First, save reusable presets for your brand, as even a small set of consistent text makes your feed feel cohesive. Second, when using AI caption tools, always scan for transcription errors because auto-transcripts are great but not always infallible. Finally, for vertical first content, do a quick reframe check so your critical elements and the caption area aren't cut off on mobile devices. Alright, that's the breakdown. Manual keyframing gives total control, presets save tons of time, and AI caption tools accelerate the process but don't handle distribution. Vizard sits in the workflow as the scale tool. It finds the viral moments, helps you turn them into ready-to-post clips, and keeps everything organized. Try Descript if you love text-first editing and that karaoke highlight, as it's fantastic for explainer-style videos and talking head content. If you're trying to turn long-form into a steady stream of shorts without losing your mind, give Vizard a spin to take the busy work off your plate. If you've got your own favorite caption tools or a weird combo of presets and AI that works for you, drop a comment and share because I love hearing what other creators use. If you want more step-by-step breakdowns of any of these workflows, tell me which one and I'll make a follow-up deep dive. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep making better videos, and I will see you next time.